Mine is just to confirm that we are set for this year's national exams. We are properly prepared for it, and as you can see, there is a lot of activity this morning as we disperse the exams to the various centers, and we have ensured that all the centers are covered and taken care of security personnel. We have also built up security in areas that we believe could face some forms of threat, especially along the Kenya-Somali border. Already we have gotten a lot of support from the Kenya National Examination Council, and they have deployed 2 choppers which will assist us in order to ensure that the exams are varied in time and collected on time from the various centers. Otherwise we are set, and we believe that all will be well. Mine is just to caution all those who are involved. This time around we are very much alert. We'll be looking for those fellows who want to discredit this examination. Mine is just to call upon all the stakeholders. Let us ensure that we refrain from any forms of malpractices, because it's illegal, and whoever will be caught or involved in such a malpractice will face the full force of the law. I want to caution everybody, the candidates, the vigilators, the center managers, everybody. Anybody who wants to play around with this exam will be in for a shock. We have minimized that because already we have choppers in place to ensure that we deliver the exams to the intended centers. Very few, maybe 1 or 2, where we feel there could be some concerns.